been 20 minutes. I should probably feed those stupid birds. Oh yeah, they're hungry. I have put this on there so it looks like a mouth. You want some? Oh, you want more? Oh, you're gonna shit. Gross. Want more? Yup. You? Do you want food? That one is a hungry beast. This one's gonna shit too, and then is it gonna eat? Barf. Now you want food? Take it off your face. You have to open your mouth. Okay. 2 birds are eating. Or have eaten now, I guess. Oh, well, this is my life for the day. You're dirty. Fix your face. You've got yuckies. Let's clean you up a little bit. Clean you up. Oh, you're still hungry. This one is a fat ass. Are you gonna poop again? You just shit. Do you want more food? Squawk, squawk. No? Okay. Well, we fed them. This is kind of gross, but this is what they were pooping out this morning, the yellowy stuff, and this is what they're pooping out now after I've cooked them up, what they're supposed to be eating. So, that's a good sign. Here. What? Seriously? No? Okay. Bloop. Stay warm. Alright. Do this all day. I'm going to climb a tree.